you're tired of dealing with these nasty pests, gosh, or these inflation of prices driving prices up, I'm gonna show you in this video how to DIY, do it yourself, and be pest free. So my go-to is this Tempo SC Ultra insecticide when I'm going to be doing pest control on the perimeter of my house and the interior of my house. This leaves no strong odors or any type of residue where it's unsafe for your animals and your kids to roam. Now, my suggestion is please let this application dry at least 2 hours before letting animals and kids roam around the house once this is put down. Tempo SC Ultra takes care of ticks, fleas, roaches, gnats, flies, yellow jackets, ants, all sorts, over 100 pests it takes care of. Also, the residual will last you 3 months of application rate in the exterior and interior of your home. For the liquid is a per gallon rate. Now we're going to be putting this down at 8 ml per 1 gallon of water. So since I'm going to be utilizing 3 gallons of water, we're going to be using a total of 24 ml for these 3 gallons of water. Now, the way that I do it in the perimeter of my house is I go along the outside edges of my fence line and I spray around that area, and I also spray on the actual structure of my house as well as inside of my home. Now, since we're dealing with chemicals, please wear proper PPE, gloves, mask, and some sort of eye protection. In my case, I'm going to use my glasses, but please be protected.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand.
In the event that we're gonna spray our structure, you need to spray 3 feet on the structure and 3 feet on the floor. I'll show you an example here. So I got my sprayer, my one sprayer. I'm going to spray 3 feet up and 3 feet down. Okay, let's bring you guys closer. Maybe you guys can see. So that's about 3 feet up, down to the structure, and 3 feet out. That's what you want to do in the perimeter of your house. All right, I'll show you guys a long view and then a POV view.
Latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down.
Alright, so this is also safe to use on your lawns, and I'm going to spray along the fence line, and I'm going to carry the same motion, 3 feet up and 3 feet down.
Made a wish, now I'm here now. It's for real now. I got everything I wanted and it's jumping like for real now. Out the mud, just an upstate boy now. I'm living like for real now. Ain't nothing, just an action with some muscle. Same fit 4 days, I just blame it on the hustle. Got these tattoos on my skin, I promise I'm no trouble. I'm from cash inside the duffel, not 6 inside the Russell. I get fly, you be crutching on designer that ain't fly. In LA, I scoop the cat or something fast for when I slide. Burning rubber, they gon' tax me for the tires, it's alright. On my lonely, I just start up that new iron and I ride. Yeah, this is not a
I'm going to show you a quick example of how I spray indoors. I already let the application dry for about an hour and a half, so it's safe for my dogs to go out there now. But now I want to spray the inside. So in the inside, if you have a backpack sprayer like the one that I have here, you want to dial down the pressure. You don't need so much pressure to go around the edges of your house. So I have dialed down my pressure, or if you have a hand pump spreader, it's fine. That's enough pressure for this application. But for inside the house, we don't need that much pressure. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spray the outside edges. I'll show you real quick how I do that, and then I'll finish up the house and conclude the video. Okay, so here is my application. My application is dialed down. Now outside, I was spraying up and down like this to get a good width. Here, I want the width to come this way. So real quick, I'll show you an example. Okay, the width, instead of coming horizontally, you want it to go vertically, and just get the middle part of the width and use that as your guide point to go around the entire house. Okay, so there you have it. That concludes your own DIY pest control, where you can save yourself some money. Make sure it's done right and know that you're gonna live pest free. No issues with, and they are almost guaranteed to work. I can't say they're 100%, but I'm like 90% sure if you do it right and follow the instructions, not only my instructions, but the label instructions, you will be pest free. Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. If you have any questions or concerns, please go ahead and leave them down in the comment below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Also, make sure you could go ahead and follow me on Instagram on Dan the Lawman Vlogs on Instagram. So with that said, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope it was informative. I'll see you in the next one.